if we want to multiply two integers, as we have seen, we use a certain process. We call them as an algorithm. So we all know that we use the algorithm we have studied in class 2 or class 3, and we can multiply two digits very easily. So apart from this algorithm that we know already, there are many interesting and very economical algorithms that use much less time and they perform the function very efficiently. So there are many algorithms that we can use for multiplication of two digits. One is a very interesting algorithm that is called Karatsuba multiplication. So we will see how we calculate the same two digits we have seen in the previous slide. So in the Karatsuba multiplication, we will use the same two digits we have used in the previous slide. So we used in the previous slide 1, 3, 5, 7, and we have multiplied it with 2, 4, 6, and 8. So the first one is our x value, x input, and the second is y. So in this Karatsuba multiplication, we will divide x into two halves. First is 13, and we call it as A. The second half is 57, and we call it as B. Similarly, we will divide y into two parts. First is A, that is 24, not A, C, and second part is 68, and we call it as D. So we have divided these two figures into four parts, x into 2 and y into 2. So we will use this Karatsuba multiplication and we'll follow the step by step. So we will reach the same answer as we have got in the previous calculation. So first step is we will compute A times C. A is 13 and C is 24. So when we multiply 13 with 24, we get the answer 312. In the second step, we will compute B with D. So B is 57 and D is 68, and we got the answer 3876. So these are the first two steps. The third step is we will compute and we will add up A plus B times C plus D. So we know A is 13. We will plus with the B. B is 57. And we will multiply it with C plus D. C is 24 and D is 68. So when we add 13 with 57, we will get 70. And we will multiply the product of addition of 24 with 68, we will get 92. And when we will multiply 72 with 70, we will get the answer 6440. So the fourth step in this interesting algorithm is we will compute, and in the manner that the step number 3 will be minus from step number 2 will be minus from step number 1, and similarly 1 will be minus from the answer of 3 minus 2. So in this case, we know in the third step we got the answer 6440. So we will write here 6440 minus Second, 3876 minus the answer of 1, 312, and we will get the answer. If we minus all these digits, we will get 2252. So the last step will be, and that is a very interesting step, we will add number 1, this one, 312, but we will add 4 zeros after 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is number 1. And similarly, we will add number 2, that is 3876. That is number 2. And lastly, we will add number 4, that is 2252. And like the number 1, we will add not 4 but add 2 zeros at the end. 2 and 2. And we will interestingly got the same answer, 3349076, that we got when we multiply these two figures. So when we multiply these two figures with a conventional algorithm, and in this algorithm we got the same answer, 3349076. So this is the second type of algorithm we can use, and we can get the same answer by using the different set of calculations. So this is not the magic. I will explain in the next slide how we get this figure.